This is a triple helix tech tip.
Okay, so we had some questions about how we use these latches on our robot. So this is an example of what they look like on last year's robot frame with all of the stuff stripped off. Okay, so these guys are going to install the bumpers and then take them back off again to show you how it works. Go for it. Okay, so that's how you put them on, and then go ahead and take them back off again. There, it's just that easy. And just for people who want to see how these posts are attached, in this case, this socketed cap screw is threaded into a riv nut that is installed in this thin wall tubing that we use for our bumper support. Trying to thread this with my left hand.